Hi everyone, welcome to Drone Diary, the channel where we talk about everything related to drones. In today's video, we're going to discuss a hot topic in the drone industry: DJI's response to the national security allegations by the FBI and CISA. If you are not familiar with the situation, let me give you a quick recap. DJI is a leading drone manufacturer based in China, and it has been accused by the FBI and CISA of posing potential security threats to the United States. These allegations claim that DJI drones could collect and transmit sensitive data to the Chinese government, compromising data privacy and national security. This is a serious accusation, and it has sparked a lot of controversy and debate in the drone community. How did DJI react to these allegations? And what does this mean for the future of the drone industry? Let's find out. DJI's response to the allegations was swift and assertive. The company issued a statement, emphasizing its commitment to user data privacy and security. DJI outlined several key points in its defense, such as: DJI has a long-standing investment in privacy, with nearly 2 decades of experience in the industry. DJI does not collect or access user data by default, and users have full control over what data they want to share with DJI. DJI offers a local data mode for its drones, which allows users to fly without any internet connection or data transmission. DJI has undergone independent security audits since 2017, which have confirmed its compliance with strict data security standards. DJI also argued that the allegations are more about geopolitical issues and market competition than actual security risks. DJI pointed out that it follows the same standards as outlined in the FBI's memo, and that its drones are safe and secure for users. DJI also addressed the legal aspect of data disclosure. DJI acknowledged that, like any other global tech company, it may need to comply with local laws and regulations, including data requests from government agencies. However, DJI clarified that any data disclosure is carefully reviewed for legal compliance and is limited to the data within the national jurisdiction of the requesting agency. DJI also reiterated that it does not collect any data by default, and that users have the option to share or not share their data with DJI. Another important aspect of this debate is the industry competition and geopolitical tensions. DJI accused its rival drone makers of stirring up xenophobia and fear-mongering to eliminate market competition. DJI claimed that these rivals are trying to exploit the anti-China sentiment in the US and to lobby for protectionist policies that favor their own interests. DJI also hinted at the broader industry dynamics, where Chinese manufacturers, including DJI, have faced resistance and opposition from other drone companies. DJI's response to the allegations was not only a defense of its practices, but also a call for fair competition and innovation. DJI advocated for the development of a clear, technology-based standard for drone security that would apply to all manufacturers, regardless of their country of origin. DJI argued that this approach would enhance the overall drone and data security and benefit both the industry and its users. DJI's response to the national security allegations was a strong and comprehensive one. It showed that DJI is confident and proud of its products and services, and that it is willing to stand up for its reputation and values. It also showed that DJI is aware of the complex and challenging security landscape, and that it is ready to navigate it with a balanced and fact-based approach. What do you think of DJI's response? Do you agree or disagree with their points? Do you think the allegations are valid or not? How do you think this debate will affect the future of the drone industry? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drone-related content. See you next time on Drone Diary.